This presentation is checkerboard number 5, category multiplication. So up until this point, we have been multiplying on the horizontal. So we've multiplied units by units, tens by units, hundreds by units, and laid down our beads. And then we went to the tens, and we'd multiply units by tens, etc., etc. Well, today we are going to multiply on the on the diagonal, not the horizontal. And as you notice on the checkerboard, the diagonal squares are colored. So units times units, there's only one way to find units, right here. Tens times units and units times tens is right here. So here are my tens, and they're both blue. There's 2 ways to find tens. Here are my hundreds, here are my thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, millions, etc., etc. So let's begin. We are going to start with our units times our units. So I'm actually going to change this number out. We'll do 3. All right, so I am going to take my units times my units. So 3 times 2 is 6. Okay. Next, I'm going to do these 2 right here. These 2 blue squares. So what is my tens times my units? That gives me my tens. So 3 times 2 is 6 again, or 60. 3 tens times 2 is 60. Now I need to do this blue square. 3 units times 4. Okay, that's 12, which is 1, 2. Okay, 12. All right, so I've done my tens. Now I need to do my hundreds. All right, so I like to start down here and go this way. So let's continue. So next I have 2 times 2. 4. Okay, let's do this one. That's tens times tens. So 3 times 4, again, that's 12, which is 1, 2. Okay, now I need to do this 100, which is 3 times 2. That gives me 6. Okay. All right. And now I need to do my thousands. So I'm going to start right here. I have no thousands, so 0 times 2 is 0. All right. Now I need to do this one. I do have 100, so we have hundreds times tens. So 2 times 4 will give me 8. Okay. Now let's do this one. That one does work too. I have my tens times my hundreds. So 3 times 2 is 6. And this one right here, 3 times 0 would be 0. Okay? All right, let's continue. Now we need to do the diagonal of the 10,000s. Okay? So there's nothing here, so 0 times 2, 0. Nothing here, 0 times 4, 0. But then I have one right here. I have hundreds times hundreds does give me 10,000s. So 2 times 2 is 4. And let's do this blue, 10,000. All right, so here I have my tens times my thousands. Nope, there's no thousands there, so that's 0. Okay, now let's see if my 100,000s, if there's anything. So 0 times units, nope, 0. 0 times tens, 0. Thousands times hundreds, nope, there's a 0 there. 0 times hundreds is 0. And hundreds times thousands, nope, that's 0, because there's a 0,000 times 100, so that's 0. So because all of these are 0, we cannot continue any further. So now we're ready to do our magic slide. Slide them all down. All right, let's add them up. 6 plus nothing is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 plus 2 plus 1 plus 4. What is that? Oh, can you see, guys? Good. 13. 1, 3. All right, now let's add our thousands up. 8 plus 6 plus 2. What is that? Yep, 16. 1, 6, and 4 plus 1 is 5. There we go. So we can say 233 times 242 equals 56,386.